Behind the design, inverted paw. This client needed a custom orthotic to provide high medial orthotic reaction force applied at the rear foot, midfoot, and forefoot using intrinsic or in-shell variables. The aim of this orthotic was to provide high orthotic reaction force along the medial foot, as outlined in the Blake's inverted technique. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected the inverted paw from the digital corrections section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include: it alters the heel shape to include an intrinsic varus or medial wedge. It increases the available medial arch height and increases the medial forefoot height. It lowers the lateral arch height. For more information, please refer to the readings of Blake. Orthotip. Features of an inverted paw can also be achieved by a variety of other prescription variables. They include a rearfoot varus or medial post, minimum arch fill, and a medial arch pad.